Now, this news is coming in from Mirzapur. There is a mega conversion racket that's been busted in this region, with Hindu women where Hindu women were being made to wear burqas and then being photographed. This is in Uttar Pradesh itself, from where we are getting this very report at this point of time, wherein the conversion racket operated from a gym. Now, sources have come out to say, and access rather, that pictures with burqa being used for funding. Sources have also been saying, they've also come out to report that foreign funding was being traced through these NGOs that are present in this very area. Hindu women, they were being blackmailed, extorted for money. The GRP constable part of gang arrested. What we are given to understand at this point of time, the few accused in the case are absconding. This is the very visual of those people who have been photographed. The women in Burqa clan have also been photographed. This is a gym where this racket was in fact continuing from, and the probe is on to nab the gang mastermind. These are the details, preliminary details that is being provided by sources. The group constable, part of the gang, has also been arrested at this point of time, but there are several other accused in this very case who still remain to be absconding. Now, what used to be the modus operandi, that click photos of these Hindu women and then blackmail them and extort money from them. The money links have, of course, now being traced in terms of where and how these foreign fundings used to, in fact, be channeled. They have been traced through NGOs. Several non-governmental organizations is what used to be used to channel these money. Now we have Ashish Srivastav's ground report brought to us to understand what exactly was the modus operandi, where did this entire conversion racket run from. Let's take a look first.
मिर्जापुर धर्मांतर मामले पर इरशाद और फरीद का बहुत अहम रोल आ रहा है सामने। जिस तरीके से इरशाद जो पुलिस कांस्टेबल था हेड, वही पूरी तरीके से उन महिलाओं को पुलिस के पास जाने से भी रोकता था और उनके खिलाफ मुकदमा दर्ज कराने की बात भी कहता था। जब भी कोई महिला पीड़ित अगर किसी मामले को लेकर पुलिस के पास जाने की कोशिश करती थी, तब यही इरशाद उसको रोक लेता था और फर्जी मुकदमे में फंसाने की बात भी कहता था। हालांकि पुलिस ने उसको गिरफ्तार कर लिया है। दूसरी तरफ फरीद, जो की पॉइंट बताया जाता है, ये फरीद वही शख्स है जो कि महिलाओं को अलग अलग फोटोज को उस पेन ड्राइव में डालकर अलग अलग लोगों को लेयर बाय लेयर सौंपता था। यानी कि फरीद का रोल इस ब्रिज की तरह था जो इस पूरे मामले को लेकर अहम कड़ी निभाता है। हालांकि फरीद, जिस तरीके से फरीद का एनकाउंटर पुलिस ने किया और उसके बाद गिरफ्तार कर लिया है, अब और भी कड़ी से कड़ी जोड़ी जा रही हैं। लेकिन ये तो साफ हो गया है कि जिस तरीके से फरीद और इरशाद का ये रोल था, कहीं ना कहीं ये धर्मांतर का रैकेट पूरे देश में अलग अलग फैलाने की तैयारी चल रही थी। मिर्जापुर से कैमरा पर्सन संजय सिंह के साथ आशीष श्रीवास्तव।
Now, Ashish Srivastav joins us on the broadcast to bring us more details on this. Ashish, very good afternoon to you. Let's try and get a picture of what exactly used to go on in this very gym. We're speaking of an elaborate plan that used to be executed. These women used to be photographed, then they used to be blackmailed, and the money that used to be extorted from them, what we're given to understand is that they used to be channeled through NGOs in this very region. So it's a massive conversion racket that was being operated.
From Mirzapur, I just want to tell you about this whole scenario as it was created. I just wait. Yeah, are you listening?
Yes, Ashish, we can hear you. Please proceed.
Yeah. This is a big.
Yeah, this is a big nexus which was running in Mirzapur, and I just want to tell you about this whole nexus which was running for a long time, and conversion gang, and which is being run by not only 1 and 2 person, because 8 people were involved in this whole scenario. 2 still absconded and 6 have been arrested now, and which you can understand that the extortions, conversion and all those things was running continuously here in Mirzapur. And you can understand that not only 1 and 2 but 5 gyms are also involved in this whole scenario, where the women were going for taking a fitness treatment like that, and even they have been treated, they have been converted, even they have been extorted. Everything was being done in the gyms, and 6 accused who have been arrested. Now, I just want to show you exactly the picture where I'm standing right here. Here, this is the police station, and where all luxurious cars are, just recovered by the police, which are being used by the accused in the Mirzapur. And this is what the police is taking action continuously in this whole scenario, as this case was running for a long time. And the conversion, you can understand that women who have been trapped under this conversion racket, they have given informations to the police that the extortion money also been taken by the women to the gym owners, and not only the one. There 8 members were involved in this whole scenario. Even they were connected to the funding also through this NGO, and they were taking a fund, not only the base only single, but the monthly wise they're taking a money, extortion money from the women who were involved in this whole gym, because the women who were going in Hindu women which were going to take a gym, and we are going to, and that time they have been trapped by these accused. And right now the 2 accused was absconded, and police is still just seeking them where they are. But in this whole situation, I just want to use this car, this exclusive visual in India today, which you can understand. This car also was being used by the accused, which have been recovered by the police here in the Mirzapur. And this car which was being used, this black film, which you can understand, no Hindu girl could be seen inside this through this glass and this window, because this car which was being used by the accused. And another car which I just want to show you here, and you can understand, this is the Nexon. This car is also the luxury car without number. It is being used because multiple times it was being used by the accused here, and they were just roaming around in Mirzapur to Lucknow with this car, with the women and Hindu women especially. And this is what the black film also, which you can see, because nobody could see inside this car that what is going on. And this is what the exclusive visual from India Today was showing you, that how the people were connected with this conversion gang. And this car which I'm just showing, it's still recovered by the police from those accused, which they are being used to trap the girls, who are just joining a gym. And this car also could be seen. This is a new without number car, a black film car, which are being used by the accused to trap the Hindu, especially girls. So it is very clear that what the intention was of that accused, and this is what this kind of the situation has erupted in Mirzapur stations. And this car, like 1 and 2 and 3, this another car which also I just want to tell you that have been recovered. This 3 and 4 cars have been recovered from them. And so police is also carrying up this whole nexus continuously.
So it is a nexus, Ashish, that we are given to understand at this point of time. Thank you for bringing us those details from the ground zero at this point. Viewers, as my colleague was showing you all those cars that have also been flagged and that used to be, in fact, be operated in by these particular people who were running this nexus, who were running this very conversion racket there. These were the very vehicles that was being used by them. And this was a very wide nexus indeed, from what could be understood from the very region where my colleague is currently reporting from in Mirzapur. So it's not a simple conversion racket, but it is one that involves several people, one that involves several companies as well, given that there were NGOs that were being used to channel the money. And the epicenter of this entire conversion racket was this particular gym that has now come under scanner by the authorities. Of course, there were several of these people who have now been booked by the police. Out of them, only few have been arrested, but most of them continue to remain absconding at this point of time, as the police continue the very manhunt in this case.